Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. Here is a short video on review of today's CA Foundation accounting question paper students. I hope all the students felt very happy after looking this question paper. Yes or no students? So how you felt by looking at this question paper in the examination hall? Share your feeling in the comment section. Now we try to understand each and every question. Now we try to look into each and every question, whether this question can be solved easily or is there any tricky point in this question, students. Now look at the first question, students. I hope most of the students, by looking at this question paper, they feel the question paper is difficult. Why? See, if you observe these true or false statements, especially first three, some students, they may not feel these are easy. Yes or no, students? Yes. Remaining three are little bit easy. So overall, these true or false statements can be answered when you recollect the things which you have learned in the class. Okay, so you can score some marks out of this 12 marks. Next question is very easy, students, very easy. You can score easily 4 marks. You can score easily 4 marks. What is this? Conversion cost, non-manufacturing entity, diminishing balance method, depreciation chapter, money measurement concept and realization concept. Yes or no, students? So you can comfortably answer them. Next question, unexpectedly, in the first question, they have asked a problem on inventory valuation. Inventory valuation. That too, which method it is? Valuation of inventory by using adjusted selling price. Yes or no, students? So this contains abnormal loss. Abnormal loss. So you can easily solve it. You can easily solve it. So here there is a scope of getting 4 marks. So intelligent student can score 20 out of 20 here. There is a scope. So average and some below average students, they may score easily 10 to 15 marks. 10 to 15 marks if they apply some common sense and some concepts which they have learned in the classroom. Okay, now go to the next question. Bank reconciliation statement, students. Bank reconciliation statement. Which model it is? So overdraft as per passbook. Overdraft as per passbook. How many marks? 8 marks, students. So there is no difficulty in this question. Every cause or reason you can solve easily. Total how many causes we have? Total 9 out of 1. Remove 8 causes. 8 reasons or 8 causes. Yes or no, students? So out of this, as per my knowledge, everything is easy. Everything is easy. But anyway, some students may feel it difficult. Yes or no? Yes. Next one, B question. This is NPO, students. Stunningly, this is very easy question, students. Sorry, NPO. Which model it is? They have given income and expenditure account and some additional information. Yes or no? So you need to prepare what? Receipts and payments and balance sheet. This is a type of problem, na? So everything is easy, and that too the problem is not lengthy. Very simple, students, very simple. So here some students may feel difficulty in the depreciation concept. Except this and subscriptions. Except this, there is no difficulty. At least every student can solve 50 to 60% question easily. Because if they know which item is recorded in which place, then they can score easily. So this is stunningly for 12 marks, students. 12 marks. I hope you can score at least 8 or 9 out of 12. If you do correctly, then you can score 12 out of 12. Yes or no, students? So NPO is also easy one. Next one, bills of exchange. Bills of exchange. Third question, 3A is bills of exchange, students. bills of exchange also, these are accommodation bills. Accommodation bill questions, students. So obviously the person who draws the bill becomes insolvent. This is accommodation bills, na? Yes. So they have asked journal entries in the books of P. Generally, most of the students, they expect they ask the journal entries in the books of R, but here they ask the journal entries in the books of P, and you need to prepare R account, whatever it may be. In these accommodation bills, some students may feel difficulty in the calculation of discount in second bill. So if you did this calculation of discount in the second bill, then everything is easy. So you can score easily 10 marks. 10 marks, students. Okay, nothing to do here, a few entries, but only the concern is calculation of discount part, the second bill. Apart from this, everything is easy. Next one. This problem is average due date, calculation of average due date. Here inter transactions are there, that means goods sold by Mr. B to G and G to B, and transactions are also very few. Observe, only 3 transactions. Only 3 transactions. Yes or no, students? And 5 marks. This also you can comfortably do it. There is nothing difficulty in this problem. Yes or no? Yes. And they have given the base date also. You need not to consider anything. They have given 20th August as base date. Okay. Next one. Yeah. Here the next question is account current. Account current. If you observe, the transactions are also very limited. Very limited. Observe. Only 5 transactions. 5 marks. Only 5 transactions. So you can easily prepare this account current. Sir, which method, sir? Which method of calculation dates? So nothing is given. So assume forward method, because it is easy, forward method, and calculation of interest, product method. See, first of all, transactions are very few, na? So you can solve this account current easily. And here we have another question as internal choice, that is consignment, students. Consignment. The beauty of this problem is most of the students did not expect this. They have asked journal entries in the books of consignee books. Observe, students. Normally most of the students, they practice the journal entries recorded in the books of consignor. Some students, they leave these entries to be recorded in the books of consignee. But see the question. So they have asked the journal entries in the books of consignee. Okay, here some students may feel difficulty, which transaction is recorded and how it is recorded. But reasonably prepared students, they can answer this, and 5 marks. Anyway, we have internal choice now, so other students can solve account current easily. Yes sir, no, students? Yes. Next question. And fourth question. Fourth question, if you observe, this is final accounts problem, students. In the last attempt, if you observe, we did not get any problem from final accounts. But now this time, final accounts problem, they have given the trial balance and some information. 15 marks. Very, very, very easy questions, students. Very, very easy questions. But here we have to do some adjustments, some rectifications, and most of the students try to observe. Here the depreciation is given without the word per annum. Per annum. Yes sir, no, students. So directly here you have to apply the rate of depreciation. The word per annum is not given. Here you have to be very careful. And after that, insurance anyway, and this adjustment also. So I think most of the students have practiced this type of problem. So this type of problems we have in our material. Okay, so most of the students have practiced, and 15 marks students, very, very, very easy students, very, 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 very easy one. Okay, next one. Here is a question on P&L appropriation, partnership accounts. That too P&L appropriation, introduction chapter, students, introduction chapter. And P&L appropriation, some students may feel difficulty in point number 3 and 4. Sharing of profit. Okay, R. Sharing of profit means R will get some extra amount and Q also will get some extra amount. But that calculation, some students may feel difficulty. Except these 2 points, remaining points you can solve it at least till second point, because after 3-4 points only it is possible to share the remaining profit to the partners in 5:3:2 ratio. Yes or no, students? So this question also, if you think you can solve it. Okay, so from my point of view, fourth question you can solve all. That means final accounts and P&L appropriation. Yes or no, students? Now look at the fifth question. Fifth question, if you observe, consists of 3 questions, students. A, B, C. 3 questions. Okay. Observe. So 5A is about retirement of a partner. Retirement of a partner. Yes or no, students? And if you observe, there are no complicated adjustments in the retirement. Just it is a normal retirement procedure and all adjustments we know easily. Simply revaluation of assets, PBD, goodwill. Here new profit sharing ratio is given. Calculate old profit sharing ratio. Okay, so entire sum payable to Y should be brought by X and Z in such a way to make their capital ratios according to new profit sharing ratio. Here if you can calculate this, then the whole problem becomes easy. Yes or no, students? So prepare revaluation account, partners capital accounts and balance sheet. Compared to other in previous attempts of partnership accounts problem, this is very easy, students. This is very easy one for 10 marks. And if you observe the combination, next question is, this is depreciation, students. Depreciation. Partnership 10 marks, depreciation 5 marks. Depreciation is also, it is WDV method. WDV method. Very limited transactions, WDV method. You can comfortably do it. And here you have to be very careful. That is, look at here on 1/1/2021 they spent for repairs. Again on 1/4/2022 they spent for repairs. So treatment of first one and second one, you have to be careful. Yes or no, students? Yes. Next one. See, this is 3-column cash book. 3-column cash book. In the previous attempt and this attempt also, they have asked 3-column cash book. This is very easy, students. Very easy problem. But this fifth question contains A, B, C. 3 questions now. So if time permits, you can solve this, or you may, I think some students may have taken this question as choice, or some people they feel 3-column cash book is easy, WDV method is easy. Okay, partnership accounts I will try. Some students may have done this problem also. Some students may feel, yeah, this is the lengthy problem, and instead of doing this, I'll try to solve other problems. They may feel, yeah, combinations are there. So, and last problem, stunningly, company accounts issue of shares. Most of the students feel this question is difficult, but stunningly in this attempt, they have given a normal problem, normal company accounts issue of shares problem. Observe, no pro rata allotment. In this problem, students feel pro rata allotment calculation, but here no pro rata allotment. Easy calculation. Shares are issued at premium. 25,000 shares issued, 29,000 shares applications received. Out of that 4,000 shares returned. So remaining 25,000 applications only. So no pro rata allotment. No pro rata allotment, students. And that too, only one shareholder failed to pay the allotment and call money. And just the shares are forfeited, not reissued. So you people tell me, sixth question, 15 marks you can score easily. 15 marks you can score easily, students. And one theory question, subfields of accounting. Subfields of accounting. Intelligent student will answer sixth question, because here is a scope to get 20 marks easily, because in the company accounts there is no complexity in the company accounts, no pro rata allotment, no reissue of shares, only for feature, only for feature. Yes or no, students? So overall, if you observe, the question paper is very easy. Even an average student also would score 60 plus marks. A below average student also can get qualifying marks, 40 to 50 marks easily he can get. Yes or no, students? An average student can get easily 40 to 50. Above average student can get easily 60 plus marks. So a student who prepared well, they may score even 100 out of 100. 100 out of 100 from this question paper. Yes or no, students? Yes. So thank you for watching this video and share your feelings in the comment section. How did you write the exam and how many marks you are expecting from this exam? And next, all the best for the next exam, students. So this question paper is easy. Hope for the next exams also will get easy question papers, because this is the last attempt for old syllabus students. Yes or no? All the best, students, for your next exam.